Have you ever wanted to buy something and people tell you, don't worry, it won't break the bank? What does that even mean? Today you'll learn this phrase in just a couple of minutes, and I promise you'll remember it forever. The phrase is, break the bank. It means something is so expensive that it would empty all your money, but often people also use it in a softer way, to say, don't worry, it's not that expensive. Let's see it in real life. Imagine you're shopping for new clothes. You want a nice jacket, but not one that will break the bank. So you look for something stylish and affordable. Or picture this. You just moved to the USA and you're checking out restaurants. One dinner costs $200. That's definitely going to break the bank. So instead, you go for pizza. Much safer for your wallet. And another example, a friend asks if you can afford a gym membership. You say, yeah, it's $30 a month. It's not going to break the bank. Here's a quick way to remember this phrase. Imagine your wallet as a bank, and with one huge bill, boom, it breaks open. That's exactly what happens when something is too expensive. Now your turn. What's something that would break the bank for you? A new car, a vacation, or maybe a wedding? Write your example in the comments. This way the phrase will stick in your memory. And if this lesson helped you, give it a like and subscribe, because tomorrow I'll teach you another phrase you'll actually use in everyday English.